Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Justin and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about cancellation policy for an Instacart shopper and how canceling orders affects you throughout the day. So stick around to find out all of the little tips and tricks that'll keep you from having a really bad day or possibly having no orders for 24 hours or getting locked out of getting those really good high tipping orders. So the Instacart cancellation policy is based off of the last 100 batches that you've done. So a lot of people think that it means every 100 batches that you do, this cancellation rate gets canceled and then set back to zero, but that's just not the way it is. Say for example that you've done 99 batches and you just canceled your 100th batch for some reason, like your car died or something like that. It doesn't matter. Say that you canceled that batch, it will take you an additional 100 batches to be able to get that to knock off. So what that means is you have to do an additional 100 batches, and after you've done your 100th batch, that canceled batch will fall off. So once the cancellation rate hits 15%, you will be terminated as an Instacart shopper, so that's something that you need to watch out for. Some people do report that there are like bugs where their Instacart cancellation rate will fluctuate. I haven't seen that. I've just seen anecdotal evidence of that on Reddit. I'm not too sure. If anybody has information on that, can send me information. I would love to see that. Feel free to leave me a comment with it down below. I would love that. If you haven't seen the video of how much money did I make from Instacart in my first month, click here to go check it out. Also, when you cancel a batch, there's a 24-hour hold that gets placed on your account, it seems, that Instacart does. This is just to prevent you from canceling any more batches for that day. This means that you won't see any batches after you've canceled a batch, or you'll see limited batches that are most likely going to be less in pay and most likely not worth your time. Instacart has quite a notorious rating system where if you get a couple of bad reviews and your points scale drop below a 5.0 and it drops down into like 4.0 or lower, you start to see really bad batches or multiple batches, like 2 or 3 batches all the time. You're not seeing the same batches, and this could be linked to, they say that shoppers with higher star ratings may receive batches sooner than lower rated people or something like that. On the app, it says it. Also, a really important thing to know is that when you do edit or refund items on the order could go up or it could go down in pay and tip if the pay is based off of a tip percentage, and the starting percentage that Instacart has on the app is 5%. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this helps clear up any issues or any questions that you had about the cancellation rate and how that will affect you as a shopper. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below and I will answer them right away,